Tuesday, no schedule. Preparation for your exam on Wednesday. Are you hearing all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So start your preparation, muscle contraction part, muscle structure, muscle contraction, and skeletal system up to here.
Okay, ma'am.
Start.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
ma'am, I have a doubt in question paper, ma'am.
Good. Is question paper visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now check the question. What question you want?
66, ma'am.
Number of teeth attached with one maxilla and one mandible. Half of the jawbone. No. 16 plus 16. 16, 16 అవుతుంది. 8 plus 8 అవుతుంది. Fourth option.
They gave 8.
8 plus 16, no, ma'am.
16 plus 16.
How 8 and 16?
Ma'am, mandible
2
will be
maxilla and 1 mandible, no, ma'am.
వన్ మ్యాక్సిలా అంటే అప్పుడు 16 అవుతుంది. వన్ మ్యాక్సిలా అంటే 8 అవుతుంది. వన్ మ్యాండిబుల్ అచ్చా
16.
కంప్లీట్ మ్యాండిబుల్. ఓకే, కంప్లీట్ మ్యాండిబుల్ అంటే 16 అవుతుంది అంతే. కానీ ఒకటి చెప్పనా నాన్న, ఈవెన్ మ్యాండిబుల్ ఆల్సో ఫార్మ్డ్ బై ఫ్యూజన్ ఆఫ్ టూ dentary bones in mammals. Of course, in the adult we count it as single, two maxillae and single mandible. In such case, one maxillae ante 8 teeth. 8 teeth elaga? On one side, incisors 2, canines 1, premolars 2, molars 3. 8 kada?
yes, ma'am.
And the total mandible 16. Ala. But of course, mandible also, half bone is dentary bone in mammals. But it is fused very strongly, we count it as single bone. But anyhow, yeah. Complete lower jaw aithe 16. One maxillary bone aithe 8. Yes. Inka? Any other question? So one maxilla 8. One mandible 16. Any other question? Could you read this question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think last one is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So carefully you have to take it as midline. So on that day I was shouting continuously, the midline. This is midline. Your little finger towards midline. And your thumb finger outer margin, lateral margin. So towards thumb finger it is radius. Towards your little finger it is ulna. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Smallest bone in the facial?
Lacrimal.
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 Repeated activation of muscle can lead to accumulation of lactic acid due to aerobic respiration.
Anaerobic.
Anaerobic. Yes, A is wrong. Myoglobin is absent.
Wrong, ma'am.
Less.
Less abundant.
ఇదే ఎక్కువ అడుగుతుంటారు. జనరల్లీ స్టూడెంట్స్ గివ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ బికాస్ దే అపియర్ వైట్. వైట్ అంటే పూర్తిగా వైట్ అని కాదు, లిటిల్ పింక్ కలర్, బికాస్ మయోగ్లోబిన్ ఈస్ లెస్. సో బోత్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ రాంగ్ కదా నాన్న?
Yes, ma'am.
First option. Which of the following help in preventing acid accumulation during anaerobic condition?
Cori cycle.
Cori cycle.
Cori cycle. Which of the following function is not related to white muscle?
Present in myocardium.
Third option kada?
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
present in the heart. Mark correct statement. All movements leading to locomotion? No.
No, ma'am.
All locomotions are movement? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Which of the following cells exhibit amoeboid locomotion?
Leukocytes.
Yes. Specialized cells in our body like bipolar neurons exhibit amoeboid movement.
No, ma'am.
False.
Cytoskeleton elements like macrofilaments are also involved in amoeboid movement.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And he asked for
Yes.
incorrect. So first one is incorrect. Passage of ova through female reproductive tract facilitated by ciliary movement. Yes. Movements of cilia, cilium. What is it? Cilia in the trachea help us in removing dust particles. Correct. Junction between motor neuron and the sarcolemma. Neuromuscular junction, motor end plate. What is the answer given?
Both.
Both 1 and 2.
కాకపోతే మోటార్ ఎండ్ ప్లేట్ దేని అనాలి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ చెప్తున్నాను ద సార్కోలెమా ఆఫ్ ద మజిల్ ఫైబర్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ ద
Axon terminal.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా దాని ముందు వచ్చేదాన్ని మోటార్ ఎండ్ ప్లేట్ అంటారు రియల్ గా చెప్తే Next. Unmasking of active sites on actin is associated with
Binding of calcium with subunit of troponin.
the sarco. Binding of calcium with subunit troponin. Third option correct kada?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarcomere is portion of A band కాదు into successive I bands కూడా కాదు portion of myofibril between two successive Z bands ఇది కరెక్ట్ కదా
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
muscle contraction correct order first stimulation neurotransmitter is released release of calcium formation of cross bridge third option third కాదు second option ఏనా
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
first stimulus should pass neurotransmitter should release which cause depolarization release of calcium ions they start contraction by forming cross bridge good tendons are made up of
Dense
Dense
regular.
regular connective tissue.
pick out the bone which is not belong to the cranium
Zygomatic.
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 yeah which of the following is incorrect about visceral muscles non-striated correct
Under voluntary control.
voluntary correct located in the walls of visceral organs correct under voluntary control కాదు కదా now increase in the calcium levels bind of calcium with the subunit of troponin
Troponin.
on actin filament and thereby remove the masking of active sites for
Myosin.
Yes.
first option correct
Yes, ma'am.
which of the following situation allows breaking cross bridge in sliding theory
When
A
a
new
new
ATP
ATP binds with the middle.
when a new ATP binds with
Miromycin.
miromycin head అంటే ఇంకా క్లియర్ ఉంటుంది but they didn't mention it it's okay no problem next question A motor unit is best described as
A motor neuron along with muscle fiber connected to it.
yes. అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ నాన్న. Even it is 2-mark question for your board exam. Remember the triad system, neuromuscular junction, that is motor end plate, and this part, motor unit. Okay, so please, all of you, last week's paper and yesterday's paper, revise both of them. In these 2 exams, wherever you did wrong, improve that concept so that tomorrow on Wednesday, when you give your exam, mistakes will be reduced, rectified. So keep that in mind and work where you did wrong. What is the problem? Why you did wrong? In the hurry, or not reading properly, or not concept clear. ఏది చూసుకోండి. If concept is not clear, ask me, I'll help you. Yes, during muscle contraction, chemical energy is changed into
Mechanical energy.
mechanical. Electron microscope studies of sarcomere has revealed that during muscle contraction, width of A band
Width
remains
of A band remains constant.
Yes, correct. Width of H zone increase? No. I band increase? No. Diameter of muscle decrease? No. Diameter increases, length decreases. So only one is correct, that is first option. Function unit of myofibril?
Sarcomere.
So third option, only one is there. The main function of tropomyosin in skeletal muscle includes
Act as regulatory protein along with troponin.
Yeah. Both troponin, tropomyosin are described as regulatory proteins. Why? Because they cause masking and unmasking of
Active sites.
Active sites on
sites on actin for
myosin.
Myosin.
good. Complete point should be said. Active sites on actin for myosin anandi kachitanga. Yes, where we are?
63.
Yeah. What about true about muscles? White muscles.
High
High
sarcoplasmic
sarcoplasmic
reticulum.
High sarcoplasmic reticulum. Good. Next. Yeah, ఇది బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో మనం 4 మార్క్ కి ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు నాన్న. Of course, if this corona problem is subsided by that time. చెప్పలేం. They're saying 2 years ఉండొచ్చని. చూద్దాం. Hope for the best. Organs involved in Cori cycle.
Liver and
Liver
muscles.
and muscle.
Yes, good. ఇది చేసినట్టున్నాం కదా, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టీత్ ఆన్ మ్యాండిబుల్ అండ్ మ్యాక్సిలా. కానీ నాన్న నిజంగా చెప్తే మ్యాండిబుల్ కూడా 2 బోన్స్, 2 డెంట్రీ బోన్స్ అనాలి. అఫ్ కోర్స్ అక్కడ వాడు డెంట్రీ అనలేదుగా, మ్యాండిబుల్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి యూ షుడ్ కౌంట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ కంప్లీట్ బోన్. గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్, బాగానే ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్, కరెక్ట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బోన్స్ ఇన్ హ్యూమన్ స్కల్ సచ్ యాజ్ cranium, facial and hyoid respectively.
8, 14.
8, 14, 1. 8, 14, 1.
8, 14, 1. Good. Which of the following facial bone is unpaired?
Vomer.
Home.
Home. 8th, 9th, 10th pairs are known as false ribs because
They do not articulate directly with the
not
sternum.
articulate with.
Sternum.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Of course, they participate in rib cage. They do not articulate directly with sternum. Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
చెప్పినానా?
Ma'am, in the NCRT, they've given 8th, 9th, 10th only as false ribs.
No, I can't hear you clearly. What?
In the NCRT textbook, ma'am, they've
Ah.
given 8th, 9th, 10th pairs as false ribs. But we did the last from 8th to 12th as
Last
false
5
ribs.
are false ribs, Nana. అదే కరెక్ట్. ఈవెన్ ఆన్ దట్ డే వీడియో ఐ హావ్ ప్లేడ్. దానిలో ఏముంటుంది మీరు
Yes, ma'am. But in the NCRT textbook, they've given like that.
టోటల్ 5 pairs false ribs only, and 8,
Okay.
9, 10 false ribs. At the same time
Vertebrocolon.
ribs, and the last 11, 12 false ribs, and they are
Floating ribs.
good. Next question. Which of the following is an odd pair?
Sternum keystone bone.
Yeah. Coccygeal bone is formed by fusion of
4 vertebrae.
4 coccygeal vertebrae. Shallow depression in the scapula, which receives the head of the upper bone, is called
Glenoid cavity.
glenoid cavity. Good. Vertebrae, incorrect combination. All are unpaired bones. Correct. Vertebrae ki pair ledu, oka bones e unnai. Ribs all attached to dorsal side with vertebra. Idi correct. Sternum part of the rib cage. Correct. Pectoral girdle articulates with occipital bone. Is wrong. Pectoral girdle not at all related to occipital bone. Occipital bone is in head. Pectoral girdle is in hands, supporting hands. Number of floating ribs in the body.
2
2
pairs.
pairs.
Paired bones in the axial skeleton. Metacarpals. Humerus of upper.
Phenoid bone.
Phenoid bone.
Not paired kada. Okay. First of all, 2 are not in the axial kada nana. First 2 are not at all related to axial.
Yes.
Each half of the pectoral girdle comprises a large flattened triangular bone called
Scapula.
scapula. Which of the following statement is true when it రావాలి కదా. Lumbar ఎన్ని నాన్న?
5.
5.
Hinges in hand.
14.
14.
Wrist bone in hand.
8.
8.
Total metacarpals.
10.
10.
Number of carpals are equal to number of thoracic vertebrae.
False.
False. Number of true ribs are equal to number of facial bones.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
True.
True ribs ante 7 plus 7, 14. Facial also 14. False statement. Scapula has the spine which projects as acromion process.
True, ma'am.
Collarbone is a part of pectoral girdle. Correct. Clavicle bone articulates with acromion process. Correct. Pectoral girdle articulates with the sacral vertebrae. Wrong. Sacral కాదు. Pectoral girdle దేనికి అటాచ్ ఉంది?
Sternum.
అసలు vertebral column కే అటాచ్ లేదు నానా. ఓయ్. Pectoral girdle not at all connected to vertebra. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
ఎటు కనెక్ట్ అయింది మరి?
4th option.
ఇది సరే. What is the where pectoral girdle is attached?
Sternum.
Sternum
Equilibrium of the
కి
sternum.
clavicle attached ఉంటుంది. Yes, you are correct. Which one of the following is correct description certain part of the normal human skeleton? Mandible, movement are unpaired. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
First vertebrae is axis. Wrong. Hyoid bone joined with the mandible. No. Free bone, not attached anywhere. And a hyoid mandible ki U shape lo untundi, but not attached anywhere to any bone. మధ్యలో సస్పెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది ఫ్రీ అది. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ ట్రూ? Actin filaments shorten,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
myosin increase length, no.
No, ma'am.
No change in the filament size, but thin filaments slide over the
Thicken.
Thick film.
third option correct kada.
Mm.
The F actin of a thin filament is a polymer of
Globular actin.
Globular actin.
incus,
Anvil.
Anvil shape.
malleus,
Hammer.
stapes,
Strip.
Stirrup.
stirrup. Glenoid cavity, pectoral girdle put helps in
Shoulder joint.
shoulder joint. Coccygeal bone is
Last
vertebra.
vertebra.
Last
Vertebral column.
so. Do you feel it is easy paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now start your preparation, all of you. So may I close this meeting? Inanna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.